Oh, he's actually sick.
Give him the water. Give him the water.
You better? No.